What's up, my financial family? How y'all doing today? So today we're going to talk about financial advice that I would give to a 20-year-old. So y'all, first piece of advice that I would give is just to learn how to invest. Please, please, please just take the step to learn how to invest your money. Investing your money is a way to make compound gains. When you invest your money, it's like your initial investment grows as time goes on. Like another reason you should invest is because when you invest your money, you will make more money off of it versus you just letting it sit in a bank account. And when you invest, it's like a nice way to gain wealth. So don't be afraid to invest. Definitely learn how to invest. Another piece of advice that I would give is to start a side hustle on the internet. So y'all know, like, there is so many ways to make money on the internet that is actually crazy. And it's one of the fastest and easiest ways to earn income. Like, the internet gives you access to so much information. One, two, you get to target a whole new audience that you would never ever meet if you had not gotten started on the internet. Yeah, that's another piece of advice I would give, is to start a side hustle on the internet as a way to gain income. And that could be doing anything. Like, you could literally be recording yourself playing a game. People make money like that. It's just like, it's so many ways that you can make money on the internet that is crazy. And not only that, like I said before, you will reach a larger audience when you present yourself on the internet versus you not present yourself on the internet. So definitely give that a shot. So a third piece of advice that I would give is to consider having more than one stream of income. Having multiple streams of income is a great way to always have funds flowing in. Just in case something happened to one stream of income, then you'll have others to back you up, and you won't have to worry about, okay, if I get fired from my job, then what's next? What I'm gonna do? You ain't got that to worry about because you got other streams of income coming in, you know? So that's the third piece of advice that I would give. Just have multiple streams of income. The fourth piece of advice that I would give is to not be in a rush to get a credit card. Wait until you feel like you are fully responsible enough to get that credit card. The fifth piece of advice I would give is to always have an emergency fund in place, no matter what. Because if something was to happen, you will have money to pay for whatever went wrong. And so if you do dip into that emergency fund, don't forget to just like replenish it, build it back up to where it needs to be at. So always have an emergency fund just in case something happens. You never know what may happen in life. Yeah, y'all, those are 5 pieces of financial advice that I want to give to someone who's 20 years old or in their early 20s, I should say. So thank you for tuning into this video. I appreciate y'all for watching. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay positive, be blessed, and continue to spread love, y'all. Peace.